Standard 4 EVS Chapter 1 Going to School Session 2.
Hello students, welcome back. Hope you all are enjoying online studies and completing your assignment on time. Kids, in previous session we learned how students in remote areas of country overcome the difficulties to cross the water bodies to reach school. Today, we will discuss about the transportation modes used by students in desert and northern plains. Before starting, let us revise the important points of last session. In rural part of Assam, students use bamboo bridges to cross the rivers. Bamboo bridges made up of bamboo sticks, poles and ropes.
Cement bridges made of cement, iron rods, bricks, and steel.
Trolley is an open box made of wood attached with the rope.
A pulley is used to lift heavy objects, to fetch water from wells, and to hoist flags.
In some part of Kerala, a small boat, vellum, is used by students to reach school. Now, let us discuss about desert of India. Rajasthan. Rajasthan is neighboring state of Gujarat. Thar Desert lies in the western part of Rajasthan. Its climate is hot and dry as it receives very less rainfall. It is also called land of camels. Camel is the animal which can easily survive in desert. Camel is also known as sheep of desert. Camel has hump which helps it to survive without water for many days in desert. Camel can walk easily in the desert because of its wide, soft feet which do not sink in the sand. Let us have a look at camel cart. In villages of Rajasthan, camel cart is used by students to reach school. Camel cart is a wooden carriage pulled by camel. It has mostly two wheels. Have you ever sat in a camel cart or horse cart? How do you feel riding it? Yes, it is a bit shaky, but we all enjoy it. Let's read from textbook. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. Students, do you know there are large sand dunes in desert and temperature in the daytime is very high during summer. Here we can see two pictures of camel carts. In northern plains of India, especially in villages where there are few roads, bullock cart and horse cart is used for transportation. Bullock cart is a two-wheeled vehicle driven by oxen. It is a mean of transportation used since ancient times in many parts of world. Mostly bullock cart have large wooden wheels with iron rims. Let us read from the textbook page. We ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. Students, in northern plains, land is very fertile, so there is lot of greenery in surroundings. If it is too sunny or raining, we use our umbrellas. The climate of plains is pleasant and in monsoon it receives a lot of rainfall. So, some bullock carts also have roofs.
Here we can see how students go to their school on bullock cart. Many students in villages also use bicycles for going to school. Here, let us read experience of a village girl. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school.
At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now, groups of 7, 8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. What a courage and curiosity for learning. In some parts of Gujarat and Rajasthan, some locally made motor vehicles are used as a mean of transport by the students. These are called Jugaad. In Jugaad vehicle, students can reach easily and quickly to their school. Jugaad has been made by using waste materials. The front part looks like a motorcycle or a motor engine. But the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood. It is a low-cost vehicle. Here are the two examples of Jugaad vehicles.
Students in cities, many other means of transportation are used by children to go to school, like school bus, school van, and bicycle.
Bikes and cars. In which vehicle do you come to school? You can tell us about this. So today we discussed about the transportation system in the villages of Northern Plains by the students. Here is your assignment. Hope you will enjoy completing it. Look at the picture and write why this vehicle is called Jugaad. Which type of land transport do you like most? Why? Write 4 to 5 sentences on it. Did you find this topic interesting? Okay, then you will enjoy completing your homework. Bye. Have a nice day.